I want to know about time management. Do you know about Dr. K. Trinyanasambandan? Yes, I know him. He will explain very well about time management. Okay. Subscribe our YouTube channel Educrawl. And subscribe the channel.
Hi, today we are going to discuss about time management. Everybody is telling that we don't have sufficient time to do your work. But I will tell you about a concept. There is a bank that credits you in your account every morning with rupees 86,400 and it carries over no balance from day to day. That is, every evening it will delete whatever balance that is available in that bank account, so that next day you will be getting a new 86,400 rupees. What would you do? Everybody will try to spend the entire 86,400 rupees. That is your human psychology. Now you relate this with time. Each of us have been given a bank. Its name is time. Every morning it credits you with 86,400 seconds. Every night it writes off whichever you have not used it effectively. There is no balance. It allows no overdraft, and every day it opens a new account with 86,400 seconds. Every night it burns off whichever time you have not spent effectively is lost. Now I will tell you the importance of time. Okay, ask a person, if you want to realize the value of 1 year, ask a student who has failed a grade, he'll be speaking with the friends, okay, he will be studying with the guys who is 1 year younger than him, okay, he will be losing the respect. Everything is lost because of 1 year if he has not studied well. To realize the value of 1 month, ask a mother who has given birth to a premature baby. It will be very difficult for her to raise up the child because the child is born before 1 month. To realize the value of 1 week, ask the editor of a weekly newspaper, because the content of the news, which is very old, cannot be taken up in that newspaper. To realize the value of 1 hour, ask the lovers who are waiting to meet. To realize the value of 1 minute, ask a person who missed the train. Many of us would have seen within a minute a train would have left, a bus would have left within a minute. To realize the value of 1 second, ask a person who just avoided an accident. Okay, within a fraction of a second, there would be an accident. Realize the value of 1 millisecond. Ask the person who has won a silver medal in an Olympics. Because you would have seen, whenever there is an Olympic tournament or anything is there, everyone will be focusing only on the person who has finished first. They will not remember the person who has finished second or third. In a running race, every millisecond you will be losing the first place. Every millisecond is very important. There is only a millisecond gap between the first player and the second player. So you have to know the value of time. I have clearly explained the value of 1 year, value of 1 month, the value of 1 day, the value of 1 hour, the value of 1 minute, 1 second, 1 millisecond. This is what you have to keep in mind. Every millisecond is important. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is mystery. Today is gift. That is why it is called as present. Be in the present. Use each and every millisecond to gain lot of knowledge, lot of power, lot of money, everything you can gain by using your time effectively. Today I will give you some tips about time management. Okay, first thing is you have to work smarter, improve your time utilization. You have to concentrate on the results, not on being busy. Some people will be working from morning till evening. They won't deliver the results. It is not being busy in the entire day, but you have to yield the result. There is a rule called 80-20 rule. It is called Pareto principle. The main thing about this rule is typically 80% of unfocused effort, that is unfocused effort, generates only 20% of the results. The remaining 80% of the results are achieved with 20% of focused effort. So the main thing is, if you want to yield a result, you have to focus effectively on your work. That will save you a lot of time. So sometimes why most of us fail is because we are lazy. We never think or we never do whatever we like. There are some works that has to be done immediately. Focus on those jobs which has to be given high priority, which have to be completed immediately. Those works have to be done effectively. Okay, so there are certain works which you feel comfortable. If you are a little bit stressed, do the works which you feel comfortable. The main thing is how you manage the time effectively is you divide the work into different tasks. You have to know which is high priority job, which is to be done immediately. You should know which is low priority job. There is a mood swing in each and every one of us. You have to know which is urgent job, which is less important job. You have to plan wisely. If you plan wisely, you know the difference between the important task and unimportant task. You have to know if you are at the right mood, you do go for the hard task. If you are feeling stressed, you do certain tasks which you like very much. So you have to have good organization skills. First, one thing you have to do is the SWOT analysis. What is SWOT analysis? It is the strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. First thing what you have to do is you have to list out your strengths. For example, what are the skills you have? What are the things you can do better than others? What are the personal resources do you have for accessing different things? You have to list out your strengths. Second thing is you have to identify your weaknesses. What are the things you can avoid? What are the things what you could improve? What are the things others, that may be your friends or other people around you think as your weaknesses? Then the opportunities. Opportunities, what are the good opportunities facing you? What are the interesting trends you are aware of? Then when you speak of the threats, who are your threats? What are the obstacles you face? What are the people around you are doing? Is your job changing? Or every day you have to update? Is the technology around you is changing? So you have to think seriously. What are your weaknesses? What are your threats? Now you have two strong points. You have the opportunity, you have the strength, and you have two things into your mind. the threats and the weaknesses. You have an activity log every day. So based on that activity log, you can improve your time management. Maintain a to-do list. That is, you can use diaries, you can use calendars, to paper-based organizers, MS Outlook, etc. for maintaining your day-to-day activities. Scheduling is the best done on regular basis. You have to schedule your task and you can use the time effectively. Thank you.
Time management is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between specific activities. Good time management enables you to work smarter, not harder, so that you get more done in less time, even when time is tight and pressures are high. Failing to manage your time damages your effectiveness and causes stress. Improve your time management. Set clear vision. Learn to say no, task by task, minimize social media, prioritize, schedule your time, be healthy, clear expectations, delegate.
And subscribe
Our channel
our channel
Educrawl.
Educrawl.